Hey, today I want to show you how to use AI whenever you write blog post or some copy for your website. So it will kind of fill in the information you need for the specific case. So let's say that I just want to list 4 countries in Europe. I can write this comment and add the 3 dots. It will pick this up and then straight away change this to the prompt result, and then you can continue expanding on this. So let's say the main language they are, and then you can expand it further. And then just use this command continue writing, which will pick up the whole context and then fill in the blanks, right? So it will know, okay, what kind of languages are actually relevant in this case. So I really love this feature as it's very simple. You can write more custom, copy, so it's not just fully AI generated. But really helps you to write way faster. So that's why I love it. It's very flexible, and then just using this with other comments which you can have here for outlines, etc. You can always mark the part of the text and just say just to improve, rephrase, etc. So please use them. They are really helpful, and as you go you will learn a bit better how to write better prompts so you have the results which you really want. Be very specific about the prompt, and you can actually have much longer prompts than this, so you have like more relevant information and even actually more expand that version. So hope you enjoyed. Cheers.